one I remember as a kid, I went to Sunday afternoon. They did a live TV show every Sunday called Cal's Corral. The famous Cal Worthington Dodge dealership sponsored a big country music thing at the Huntington Park Ballroom every Sunday. And this one lady that was on the show from time to time, her name was Princess Ramona. And she'd come out dressed in all this Indian garb, and she'd have live white doves on her arms. And she'd be singing there, and she'd have these white doves on her arms. And well, back then, it was really before the long hair and Delaney started growing his hair longer. They used to have that hair slicked back, not a hair out of place. And she was singing her song, and that one of those white doves flew over and landed right on top of Delaney's head. Well, Dad looked over, and I was there that day, and everybody was just, Delaney didn't move, but that dove landed on his head, and he finally turned and he said, "I'll pinch its head off now if somebody don't remove that bird," you know, and we all got a big laugh out of that. And finally the dove flew off, but I can remember that dove landing on Delaney's hair that day on live television, and he must have had it sprayed real well because it was not a hair out of place, but he was real particular about his hair. And it wasn't a few years later when he was, like with the Shin Dogs, he started getting a more rock and roll kind of cut. But that was a funny story. But there's tons of stories I could tell about him and Dad that, you know, they worked 6 nights a week there at the Palomino, and they'd just cut up on stage, and I could just go on. And